Hi, this is Candy. Just a reminder that you want to try to keep your Google Drive organized, and you probably also want to teach your students to do this as well. I was doing this with my daughter last week, and she was amazed that she could keep this organized. So when you come down to My Drive, just as a reminder to create a folder within wherever you want to be, you click New and Folder, and that will create a new folder and you can title it. You'll notice that your Google Drive gets logged with a whole bunch of junk that you probably don't even put there half the time. I know most of that stuff is not my stuff. So I had to come up with a naming system that made it so that when I sort my Google Drive, that everything comes up at the top all the time. So I will put a 0 in front of it. Another way to do that is by putting like the class period in front of it. I had my students create folders with their class period in front. Um, so that's another good way to organize it. Another tip is to put a period in front of it, and that'll throw all those folders up to the top as well. You'll notice that I changed the color on some of these. So to do that, you just right click and then you hit change color, and you can pick any color that you want. Um, and then for students especially, teach them how to organize inside the folder as well. I have mine create a folder for the class, and then I have them inside of it make units for the folder. So that way all the work that they do for Unit 1 lands in the Unit 1 folder. So they know where to go find it when they do need to turn it in. I hope that helps as a good reminder, and have a great day.